Alright, I got my panel all hooked up. I set it on the side of the boat. So it's just sitting here, doing its thing. And I kind of just, it's a very, very dry fit, I guess I would say. I don't know. But anyway, got it all hooked up, and it's producing 12.9. I'm sorry, not 12.9. 12.9 is the state of the charge of the batteries. And then the current, the amps coming in, is 3.4. Which is so cool. I mean, it's not a lot of power, and it's kind of, just a little temporary setup, but I'm so excited that we're just sitting here. We're not running a generator or anything. We're just making power from the sun. It's just so cool. I can't stop but come over here and look at the charge controller every 30 seconds. Be like, it's still working. It's just sitting there making power. That's so cool. I love it. Anyway. In other news, we had these boats anchor by us. So this guy pulled in and anchored right in front of me. And we got this guy on the side. And now everybody, I told them that it's going to get weird with the current and the wind. They apparently didn't believe me, but now it's getting weird with the current and the wind. So, yeah. And now he's leaving. It's this guy right here. You can't really see him in the sun probably, but his dinghy's right. Yeah, so it comes in, anchors his boat, and leaves. And it's like, dude, back off. But whatever.